All right, so we are incredibly blessed to actually be here. Every time we get to install a vertical garden, we come here to the nurseries to select the plant specimens and basically make art with nature. This is basically the size that we select usually. These are 6-inch plants. And we use 2 of these guys to actually fill up each of the containers on our green wall panels. We don't have a green wall that we have to wait for it to grow. The same day that we finish the installation, you have a fully grown, lush, beautiful green wall. Either interior or exterior, we can do both.